wanted to take an opportunity. I've been talking about post-op recovery. We've covered liposuction, we've covered tummy tucks. I'm going to just touch on breast, which will kind of be the last part of the recovery of the Mommy Makeover recovery series. And tell folks, to me, this is one of the easier recoveries, with one exception. If you're not a back sleeper, if you're a side or stomach sleeper, then you might find this a little bit hard recovery time because you need to sleep on your back. If you sleep on your sides or you sleep on your stomach, you're going to put a lot of pressure, and that pressure on the incision can ultimately bust it open. Doesn't matter how many stitches I put in it, but it will either open it, or at the very least, it will stretch those scars more than we want, and they won't be as good as scars. Other than that, because of the way I close my incisions, it doesn't matter if it's a breast augmentation, a breast lift, a breast reduction. You need fat grafting to the breast, or I'm making little tiny poke holes to make them bigger. I close them all in the same way, which means that they're protected from water, so you can shower the very next day. You don't have to wait on that. You will be in a bra, and for those folks who have augmentation, you'll have a strap across the top to kind of lock things in. You take all that off, shower, kind of dry off, and put yourself back the way you found it. For the most part, I just want folks' arm to go to 90 degrees right at the shoulder, not reaching up, so you move the things in your life that you reach up for. I always think of cereal bowls and coffee mugs as the main things. Put them on the countertop so you can easily reach them. And then honestly, go about your day. No gym, no high impact. We don't want that heel strike, that kind of jarring motion that can stir up bleeding. At the very least, it'll be uncomfortable. It'll create more swelling. So those really are the main things as far as recovery for breast. It's generally not nearly as uncomfortable as some of the other things like tummy tucks or even lipo, particularly in the back. There are a lot of folks, when I do breast surgery, I am doing lipo around the breast, so you'll be maybe in a different kind of bra, maybe one with more compression. But that, again, other than the soreness, doesn't really change activity levels. So, as I said, I think breast is a relatively straightforward recovery. Hope that's helpful information. If you have any questions about it, give me a call. Look forward to seeing you and talking to you soon. Bye now.